Welcome to Toodlebox, the app that lets non-programmers create mobile applications for business. There are five basic building blocks of a low-code mobile business application. They are the form builder, subjects, workflow, queries, and automation. In this video, we're going to focus on subjects. We'll describe what subjects are, what types of subjects you can create, how you load subjects, and what are the types of things that you could do with them. Subjects are data entities. But what are data entities? You might have a spreadsheet that lists all of your vehicles, then another spreadsheet that lists all of your customers and vendors, or maybe another spreadsheet that lists all of the items that you have for sale. All of these spreadsheets are lists of the important things that you have in your business. Each line item represents an asset that either costs you money or makes you money. And how you use and maintain those assets is usually what can make or break your business. Toodlebox Subjects is where you could keep all of these assets in the same place where you and your staff can use them in your day-to-day operation. And over time, it could even provide you with insights that you would otherwise not have if you don't have them all in the same place. A subject can be a customer, a truck, an employee, a desk, a crane. Really, it can be anything that you want to be able to keep track of. You could create as many subject types as you need in Toodlebox, and each of them can be defined differently. For example, you can create a customer subject type that has a customer contact name, an address, an email address, a billing address, a shipping address, or you could create a vehicle which has a VIN number, a make, model, year, and mileage. You could create as many subject types as you need, and with Toodlebox, you could use the built-in subject maintenance screens, or you could add special controls into your forms where you could maintain the subject information directly on the forms that your people use every day. This specific feature is something that you usually only find in custom-developed applications, but it's available to you in Toodlebox right out of the box. When you first set up Toodlebox, you're starting with an empty slate. You could load subject data one of three ways. The first is organically. You could use the default maintenance forms that let you add, edit, or delete subjects, or you could create custom forms that will allow you to do the same thing. The second way is for you to import subjects using spreadsheets. You download the spreadsheet template, fill in the data, and then import that filled spreadsheet into the website. The third way is to use a third-party software integration. Software like QuickBooks would already have information on your customers, your employees, and your vendors. And all you would need to do is set up the integration, give Toodlebox the permission to communicate with their third-party software such as QuickBooks, and just let the system do the rest. The subject data that you keep in Toodlebox can be maintained using the samples that we just mentioned. But other than just having a well-maintained list, what else can you do with it? A lot, actually. You can create rules that trigger certain actions when a criteria has been met. You can create reports that show how often a subject has been interacted with or updated. You can view all the photos and work orders that have been created against that subject. And you could also take all of that data and create a report that will show you trends on how your assets are performing. All of this and more are possible because you are regularly collecting information about your assets, which feeds the Toodlebox algorithms, which later on can provide you with insights that you can't find anywhere else. Of course, all of this data is available to you in raw format, so that if you want to use it in a different system, you could do so very easily. Subjects in Toodlebox provide you with advanced database functionality without requiring a lot of coding or a lot of setup in your infrastructure. The features that are available in Toodlebox that allow you to manipulate that subject database that you're creating is something that you rarely see in low-code, no-code applications. Toodlebox provides you with this functionality right out of the box. If you could see yourself using this application for your business, please send us a message at sales@toodlebox.com or leave a message at www.toodlebox.com or leave a comment down below. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.